HCF. Here, HCF means highest common factor. Listen carefully. Highest common factor. HCF, highest common factor. For example, if you take 3 numbers or 2 numbers or 4 numbers, I'm taking 2 numbers 20, 28 and 36. First you have to find the factors, then we can find highest common factor. See 20 factors. What are the factors of 20? 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2 ja 4 5 ja 20. So that's it. For 28 we can write what? 2 into 2 into 7. 4 7 ja 28. For 36 we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 9 4 ja 36. These are the factors for the given numbers. Now what I am asking, highest common factor. So when we are finding highest common factor, how we can find that? See here. Here this is 2, 2, 2. One common factor is 2. We got one common factor is 2. Now check, is there any other common factor? Check, is there any other common factor? First of all, I'm marking the 2, 2, 2 is one common factor. Then if you observe there is one more common factor, that is 2, 2, 2. And check, is there any other common factor? 5. There is no 5. So this is not common factor. 7. There is no 7. No common factor, no common factor, no common factor, like 3 and 7 and 5. So we got how many common factors? Only 2. So these 2 are the common factors. These 2 only common factors. Here we have. Okay. That is 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Totally we have only 2 common factors. So therefore, the highest common factor, of 20, 28, 36 is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 4 is the highest common factor. Highest common factor. This is very easy to understand. Okay. These 3 numbers divisible by 2. 2 10 ja 20. 2 14 ja 28. 2 18 ja 36. So 2 is a common factor. Then with 3, only this one possible, these 2 are not possible. With 4, see, 4 5 ja 20. 4 7 ja 28. Again 4 9 ja 36. So with 4 also, these 3 are divisible clearly. And after that, check with 4 5, only 20 will possible. 6 only 36. 7 28. 8 no chance. There is no possibility with 8. Like that, if you check here, 2 is possible, 4 is possible. 2 is a common factor for 3 numbers. 4 also a common factor for 3 numbers. 2 and 4 are common factors for 20, 28, 36. But we have to find what? Highest common factor. So from these 2 numbers, 2 digits, the highest number is 4. That's why the highest common factor 4. Understand? So this is one way to find the highest common factor. And I will explain you one more way, that is case 2. You can follow any one of these two. Case 2, how we can find the highest common factor? HCF of 20, 28, 36. So what is the HCF of these three digits is the question, right? See, first of all, you have to select, just a minute. I know. Yeah. Yeah, listen. So HCF 20, 38, 36. Second method, I'm telling you that what? Take any two numbers of these three. I'm taking 36, 28. 28, 36. So divide 36 with 28. Always big by small. 36 by 28 I am doing. See, 28 ones are 28 possible. That's only, except that it is not possible. So 36 minus 28 will be 2 plus 6, 8. Again, take the number what is here 28, divide with 8. 28. 8, 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24 is only possible. Remaining the remainder is 4. Now again take this 8. Then 4 to the 8, it is 0. So up to getting a remainder 0, we have to do like this. For which number you are getting 0, by dividing with number, which number you are getting 0, that is the HCF. So by dividing with 4, you are getting the remainder is 0. That's why here this is HCF. Already we got 4 is the HCF. Or take more two numbers, 28 by 20. Try this again. 20, 28, 21 ja 20. Remaining 8 is the remainder. Now you have to take this 20 here. That is 28, 8, 8 to just 16. Then 20 minus 16 will be 4. And then 8 is there. 4 to ja 8. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. So where you are getting 0 at 4. That's why this is HCF. So this already we done. Or take the remaining to what that 28, 36 finish. This finish 20, 36. 36 by 20. That is what? 36, 20. 21 ja 20, remaining 16. Again take this 20, that is 16, 20. That is 16 1 ja 16. And remaining what there? Remainder is 4, that is 16. 4, 4 ja 16, 0. So for 4 you are getting 0 na, that's why HCF is what? 4. So already we find the HCF is 4. That is case 1. This is case 2. So you can do any one of these two methods, you will get the answer. Okay. And for HCF, you have an exercise here. I will send you in the group as worksheet. So this is about HCF. Remember that if I ask you, you should say not today. In any day, if I ask you after 1 year or 2 years, you should say perfectly how we are finding HCF. That's why please practice the questions what I am sending you. So this is about HCF.